Okay, get to the top and collect the item. Item. I like item. Let's go. Woo! Woo! I got the item. I got the one item. Oh, coin. I want the item. And get the tackle. Oh. That was the killer. Oh, Jeff the killer. Ah! Jeff the killer is so scary. Ah! Oh my god! At least I'm safe. No! Phew, I'm safe. Let's collect mini coins. Okay. Oh! Let me please! Oh! Hey, what's down there? Woo! Oh! Beware! I'm going to make the bacon fall. Yes, I made it. Coin! Well, I get you. Yeah. No! My item! Let me push the button. Earthquake! Don't jump! I cannot jump because it's earthquake! Oh, not earthquake. Guys! Beware! Tsunami! Don't say. Ouch! Oh man, I lose. Press the button. Let me press the button. What is that? Godzilla! What a Godzilla! Warning, stay safe. Flood. I had flood. Ah. Oh no, this is bad. This is so dangerous. Oh. Hey. Okay. Don't get blown. Oh, I don't want to get blown. Woo. I don't want fall. Oh, coin. I like coin. Oh. Huh? Beware of the tsunami. Tsunami again. Woo. Hey, no. It's a noob. Oh, beware. Oh. Don't push me. Let's go. I made it across safely. Let's go. Oh, hello, noob. Woo. Don't fall. Coin! Ah! Oh man, I'm lost because of the coin. close off my shirt. No. I need to delete my t-shirt and shirt. Ready, take off. Let's go. I want to push the button. Woo! Safe. Hurry to the blue platform. Oh, blue platform? Oh, this is correct. Okay, let's go.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Press the button. Get the top of collect the item. I want. Yes, the item. Okay. Made it. Yes. Let's go. Item.